Okay, so I've just loosely put these together, and I think what we're going to have to do is leave this one this way around, but obviously we'll flip the back one over like that, and we should be able to drill some holes and put some rivets through on that side, and it does actually fit. Quite pleased with the way that fits. It's a bit tight, but it does. And we'll have to do the same over here. We've already got some holes down here, so if we can drill through and put some rivets through, that's fine. It also means that the front bezel can then go on in the same way that it was on before. But we're probably not going to be using these, as I say, for optical storage. Might do. I mean, obviously I would need to have some way of supporting the drives if I did, but alternatively I could maybe look at somehow mounting a fan up there or something, or just leaving that open, maybe mounting the fan down here or something. So I'll have a think about that. So maybe a bit more drilling to do, but what we need to do now is try drilling some holes, riveting it back together, and then seeing what it looks like from there. Okay folks, some more progress made on Topsy Turvy. The case has gone together rather well. There's just a few little things I've had to tweak. For instance, on the side panels I've had to take the clips off because obviously the holes for the clips, like here, are now in the wrong place, but that's not a problem. And I've had to take the chute off because I've had to swap the side panels over, so the one with the chute on is going to go on that side so that it fits properly, because obviously there are certain holes in the case that things clip into, so you've got to make sure that those line up. I also had a problem when I put it together. How am I going to get a power supply in there? Because normally you put the power supply by taking the top off. Well, I now can't do that, so I thought I'm kind of cut all this open. Then I thought, micro-atx power supply, slightly smaller one. It basically fits in with a back plate in the hole, and that will actually fit in there. So it's only about 250 watts, but this is going to be a server, so it'll be fine. It's not going to have any high-end components in it. So that solved that problem. If I do need a bigger power supply, then this is going to have to be cut open a bit, but I've only got a small rotary tool, so it does take a long time to cut anything. I've had to do a few little cuts. I had to make a cut up there so that this would fit in. And I was pleased to find that these holes already lined up, so that was good. All I had to do was drill some here to put these rivets in to get that on the front, and I will probably need to, I've just started to mark a hole there. I'll need to drill a hole through there so that I can rivet the top piece on. I guess I could put a screw in, I could thread it and put a screw in, otherwise the top doesn't fix on anywhere and it moves about too much, so it makes it impossible to put the side panels on. So anyway, that's where we are with that.